Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to crochet another scarf and I am going to use size I 5.5mm crochet hook. I will be using this Red Heart Super Saver jumbo stripes, and this is 10 ounce or 283 grams. This is one row. Okay, so now let's begin the project. To begin, we are going to make a chain of 24. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. And we are going to use the back ridge. This is the back ridge, this is the front, and this is the back. So into the fourth chain of the back ridge, we are going to make one double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4 over here, make one double crochet, and then make a chain 3. 1, 2, 3, and we're going to skip the 3 back ridges. 1, 2, 3 into the fourth, make one double crochet and one double crochet into the next. All right, then make a chain 3 and skip the 3 stitches again. 1, 2, 3, and make one double crochet into the next and one double crochet into the next. Now make a chain 3, skip the 3 back ridge. 1, 2, 3, make one double crochet into the next and one double crochet into the next. Make a chain 3 again, then skip the 3. 1, 2, 3, and make one double crochet into each of the last two stitches. Okay, this is how it looks like. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. We have 10 double crochet and 1, 2, 3, 4 chain 3 spaces. Now for the row 2, we're going to make a chain 3 and then turn your work, and into the second chain we have these 3 chains, right? Into the second chain, 1, 2, we are going to make 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we're going to skip this 2 double, and into the second chain of the chain 3 space we are going to make 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we are going to make 5 double crochet into the second chain of the chain 3 space again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we are going to repeat this into the last chain 3 space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we are going to make one double crochet into the turning chain here. This is the beginning turning chain. On top of it, make one double crochet. Okay, Okay, now we're going to do the row 3. Make a chain of 3 and then turn your work and make 1 double crochet on top of the beginning double of the 5 double crochet group. This is the first double. Make 1 double crochet and then chain 3, and then we're going to skip the 3 double 1 2 3 into the next double. Make 1 double crochet and make 1 double crochet into the first double again of the double crochet group, and then make a chain 3 and skip the 3 double, 1 double crochet into the last double and 1 double crochet into the first double of the next group, just like that. Now make a chain 3 again and skip the 3 double crochet, 1 double crochet into the last double, 1 double crochet into the first double, and then chain 3, 1 double crochet into the last double of the 5 double crochet group, and 1 double crochet into the very last double crochet. Okay, that's how it looks like. Okay, now we are going to make a chain 3 again and turn your work. My camera is not. Is that better? And make 5 double crochet into the second chain of the chain 3 space here. 1 2, make 5 double crochet, 1 2 3 4 and 5. Then 5 double crochet into the second chain of the chain 3 space again. 1 2 3 4 5, and we're going to repeat this across. 1 2 3 4 and 5. One more. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Now make 1 double crochet into the very last double here on top. Okay, for the remaining rows, I want you to go ahead and repeat row 3 and 4 alternately until you reach your desired length, and always begin each row with chain 3 and then turn your work. Okay, so I will be making until 74 inches long, but it's up to you guys if how long would you like your scarf. So go ahead, repeat row 3 and 4 alternately, and I will meet you for the next row. Alright, I finished my 74 inches long. Okay, and my last row is the 5 double crochet shell. Now we are going to do the final row. We are going to make a chain 3 and then turn and make 1 double crochet into the first double of the 5 double crochet group, and then make a chain 3 and skip the 3 double crochet and 1 double crochet into the next double, then 1 double crochet into the next double, chain 3, skip the 3 double and 1 double crochet into the next, 1 double crochet into the next, then chain 3 and skip the 3 double crochet, and 1 double crochet into the next double, then skip the 3 double crochet and make 1 double crochet into the next, then make 1 double crochet into the final double here, the very last double crochet. And I can lock my work here and cut the yarn. For the size of the scarf, it is 6 inches wide and 74 inches long, and this is long enough for you to wrap around your neck twice, and also it is warm enough for winter to use, and the size fits from teens to adults, so you don't have to worry. Okay, and if you want to add a fringe, it's up to you guys, but if you do, just cut up 44 pieces of 10 inches long strands and divide it into half, so the 22 you can use it for this side and the other 22 pieces you can use it for the other side of the scarf. Okay, what you should do is each strand fold it into half and insert it into each stitches across, so each end has 22 stitches each. Okay, so just use one strand into each stitches. So now we finish another project. I hope you like it. If you have question, just comment down at the section box and I will respond whatever question you have. Thank you so much guys, and I hope you enjoy crocheting along with me today, and see you again for my next video.